Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Lyft rider account step by step clearly. First, unlock your phone and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Open the Lyft app on your home screen or app drawer. If you do not have the app, install Lyft from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store first. When the app opens, tap the Sign In button on the start screen. Choose the sign-in method you used when creating your account. If you created your account with a phone number, select phone number. Type your phone number carefully and confirm the country code is correct. Tap Continue to request a verification code. Check your SMS messages for the Lyft verification code. Enter the code exactly as it appears in the app. Wait a moment for the app to verify your number automatically. If you created your account with email, select Email instead. Type your email address and tap Continue. Enter your password and make sure Caps Lock is not on. Tap Sign In to access your Lyft rider account. If you see an option like Continue with Apple, Google, or Facebook, pick the one you originally used. On iPhone, you can tap Continue with Apple and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. On Android, you can tap Continue with Google and choose the correct Google account. If the app asks for permissions like location, tap Allow while using the app for the best experience. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password on the sign-in screen. Enter your email and follow the reset link that Lyft sends to your inbox. If you do not receive the email, check Spam, Promotions, or Junk folders. If you did not receive the SMS code, tap Resend Code and wait for a new message. Make sure your phone can receive texts and that Do Not Disturb is not blocking alerts. If you are signed into the wrong account, go to the menu and tap Log Out. Return to the sign-in screen and repeat the steps with the correct method. After signing in, confirm you see your name and account menu to verify you are logged in. If sign-in still fails, update the Lyft app and restart your phone. Then try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.